Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center here. Today I'm excited to bring you this 2017 Regal 42 Grand Coupe that we've just taken in trade. This is a beautiful boat with a beautiful blue hull. It's an enclosed cockpit design, meaning that you pilot the boat from inside so you can enjoy the AC or heat, whichever the case may be. Has a large overhang over the cockpit that provides shade to the back doors. And back here at the transom, we have a large swim platform with a submersible step below. That's a really great place to hang out. In the cockpit, we have a large L-shaped sofa here with lots of seating. And then the gourmet station over on the starboard side with a Kenyan electric grill. These Kenyan electric grills are perfect for boats because you don't have to store charcoal or propane. Has a refrigerator down below. In the main salon, we have this large C-shaped seating area here, and then opposite of that is the high-low flat screen TV. You can retract that to get it out of the way if you want to enjoy the view. And in the galley, we have a fully equipped galley with a 2-burner electric stove, stainless sink, microwave below, stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator freezer. And up forward we have this large one-piece windshield, so the visibility up here is fantastic. As I mentioned earlier, you pilot the boat from inside so you can enjoy the AC or the heat, whatever the case may be. If it's a mild day, you can open up the skylight above and you can open up the back doors to generate a lot of fresh air, light, openness, enjoy the outdoors. Here at the helm we have the Garmin flat screen display, which right now is set up with the chart, depth, and engine readouts. Over on the starboard side we have the engine controls and the joystick. This boat's equipped with the autopilot system, and it's equipped with the Volvo D6 435 horsepower diesel engines with IPS. The joystick control gives you just fantastic maneuverability in close quarters. And this boat is powered to where it's very easy to drive. It has excellent control, excellent speed. The master stateroom is forward, featuring a queen-size centerline island berth queen bed. You got windows on each side, large lockers, flat screen TV. In the VIP stateroom, you have a large queen-size bed, windows on each side of the room, hanging locker, sofa, and flat screen TV. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2017 Regal 42 Grand Sport. And this is a beautiful boat, 2-cabin arrangement, enclosed cockpit, very nice. If you're interested in this boat, please contact us here at MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm Wally Wells. Thanks for watching.